Welcome to Auto Car, your trusted source for in-depth automotive reviews. Today, we delve into the 2025 Suzuki Liana, focusing on its exterior and interior design, performance, history, pricing, and features. The 2025 Suzuki Liana presents a sleek and modern aesthetic. Its aerodynamic silhouette is complemented by sharp lines and a bold front grille. The integration of LED headlights and daytime running lights enhances visibility and adds a contemporary touch. 14-inch alloy wheels provide a sturdy stance, while the body-colored door handles and side mirrors contribute to a cohesive look. The rear features stylish tail lamps and a subtle spoiler, giving the Liana a dynamic presence on the road. Inside, the Liana offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. The use of high-quality materials and a two-tone color scheme creates an inviting atmosphere. The dashboard is thoughtfully designed, featuring an analog information cluster with a multi-information display. Ergonomic placement of controls ensures ease of use. The seats are upholstered in premium fabric, providing ample support for long journeys. With a seating capacity for 5 persons, the Liana ensures comfort for all occupants. Under the hood, the Liana is equipped with a 1.6-liter DOHC petrol engine, delivering 115 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 141 Newton-meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience. The front-wheel drive system, combined with McPherson strut coil spring front suspension and torsion beam with coil springs at the rear, ensures stability and handling precision. The Liana achieves a top speed of 200 km/h, catering to both city commuting and highway cruising. The Suzuki Liana, introduced in the early 2000s, has evolved over the years to meet changing market demands. Originally known for its practicality and reliability, the Liana has undergone significant design and performance enhancements. The 2025 model reflects Suzuki's commitment to innovation, blending modern aesthetics with advanced engineering. In Pakistan, the 2025 Suzuki Liana is available in multiple variants, with prices ranging from 915,000 Pakistani rupees to 2,075,000 Pakistani rupees, depending on the model year, mileage, and overall condition. Standard features include power windows, power mirrors, central locking, and an air conditioning system. Safety is addressed with an anti-lock braking system and child locks. The Liana also offers a fuel tank capacity of 50 liters and delivers a fuel economy of 13 km/l in the city and 18 km/l on the highway, making it an economical choice for daily driving. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Liana combines a modern exterior with a comfortable interior. Its performance is robust, catering to a variety of driving needs. With a rich history and a range of features at a competitive price point, the Liana continues to be a compelling option in the sedan segment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more in-depth automotive reviews.